Welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm out here once again on South Padre Island. But today I'm only about 5 miles north of County Beach. I can sit. What an entrance. You guys see all that water on the highway coming in here? This is the day after the major storm here in the valley. Prayers to all those who were affected here in the Rio Grande Valley. The major thunderstorm that came in. There was also a tornado that landed somewhere in Elsa. Guys, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Oh, look at this. I'm out here trying to do a little fishing today. Let's see what happens. Wait for the action. That was my first catch of the day. It happened so fast, I wasn't able to get that on video. What a long day. I was using fresh shrimp, mullet, fish bites, and the only thing that came out of this was a whiting. I didn't get skunked, but at least I had a good time. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one.